train that takes you deep into the Yorkshire countryside. A family that takes you right inside their home.
Happy birthday, Lanky.
The Three Chimneys, just near the railway, where only Mother and the three children came to live. And Father's sudden disappearance was both a secret and a mystery.
Bobby, I know you said we weren't to ask any questions. Daddy isn't dead, is he?
The Railway Children by E. Nesbit has been a bedside companion for millions all over the world. Now, the story and the people are here to enchant us on our big, colourful screens.
I haven't got our dressed and ready, Master Peter. I haven't got all night, you know. Yes, Ruth. Go on. Oh. You'll know where your precious father's gone. So I tell you straight.
Dinah Sheridan, a lady who has grown lovelier with the years as Mother.
Now listen, it's quite true that we're poor, but we shall have enough to live on just so long as I have ideas for stories. But you mustn't go about telling people of our affairs. It isn't right. And you must never, never, never ask strangers to give you things. Isn't she marvelous when she's angry?
The Waterbury children. Bobby, the eldest. Phyllis, who means well. Peter, who wants to be an engineer. Watch the birdie. Jenny Agutter as Bobby, christened Roberta. Lanky for short.
Yeah, one I must have, and no offence I know on a day like this.
To know her
Look.
is to love her. Mr. Perks, the railway porter.
Right on time!
And Mr. Bernard Criddins shows you why this proud and generous gentleman is everyone's friend.
I just came to say I was sorry to hear your mamma wasn't so well, and to ask how she finds herself this evening. Oh, and I brought her a bit of sweet briar there. It's very sweet to smell, that is.
Very beautiful and wonderful things do happen, don't they? And we live most of our lives in the hope of them.
Well, that hope is realized here in the wonderful, beautiful, and exciting adventures of the Railway Children.
Look at that tree over there.
Lord, it's moving.
Hey, the 11:29 hasn't got by yet. Must let them know at the station there'll be an accident. They won't see us. It's all no good. Get back! Not yet! Not yet!
Make it a family outing for this wonderful family entertainment.
All present and accounted for? We're here!
I'm so glad they can come up here and do all the things I took for granted. I don't want them frightened of the world.
There's our light.
We could count.
Keep under the stars. Please say yes.
I promise, I'll look after everybody.
She's a beauty, isn't she?
Wait for me!
Here's to Swallow and all who sail in her.
I hereby name this water island and claim it for our own. We're on the island.
This is the place. There's something down there.
What's that?
A houseboat.
If you're going to need my boat again, I won't be quite so understanding.
Are you always this rude?
That was me being polite.
They
Amazons? What does this mean? The Jolly Roger. That's their sign.
Who are you?
I'm Nancy Blackett, part owner of the Amazon. Give us back our island.
You're not frightened, are you?
Or the pirate who sent you. She means Uncle Jim.
Shut up, you donkey.
This is our chance. Follow him.
Who knows what's going on in that boat? Something fishy. And I don't mean with nets.
Where are you going?
On a top secret mission. Hello? Why are you snooping through my things? This is not a game. He's alone. What are we waiting for?
I saw them dump Captain Flint in their boat.
We have to find out who did it. This means war.
They'll be back before tea.
We're walkers. We don't give in that easily.
Well, yeah, we were supposed to look after the others, not get them into trouble.
You've done more than